Okay, friends, last time I have explained to you how to collect the bulk density samples using soil auger. Now see here there is a particular depth sample available. This is for bulk density. We will do the processing now. Now Mr. Sukram will be showing you how to do this. So this is the intact soil course. So Sukram, you can start. This is an intact soil course, and then please be very careful so that the core has to be intact and it should not be broken at any point of time. You can see that there is two buffer rings, one at the top and another at the bottom. These two buffer rings need to be taken out very carefully so that there is no break of the what is called the continuity of the ports starting from the buffering top to the buffering bottom. So he is doing that. He is trying to cut some of the soils which are adhering to the rings, and while doing so he is trying to make it a little bit of soft so that it can be taken out quickly. This part is very important because if you are not taking this intact soil course, then definitely there will be an issue. Sukram, not this way, not this way. You please hold this. You please hold this.
How come?
No. You please hold this. Please hold this now. Come this side. Come this side. So this is this way.
अच्छा.
You need to take this out. Okay. So you press with one and then you. So you see he is pressing with his thumb finger and then taking this out, so that now you can find out that there is still some soil which is left there. So now he will be carefully you can say peeling off. No, not this way. Yeah, no, not this way. Okay, please hold. So this you need to take out very slowly. Okay, very slowly, and then also do it very slowly so that the samples are coming. Okay, Subram.
ठीक.
So because it should not come out. But this is all your very practice. He is doing that. You can just take this here, little bit of little bit, then take it out. Do it and then take it out. Yeah, do it slowly. So there are a few points which you should note down. There should be a specific water in the soil so that the whole soil sample should come out as an intact core, undisturbed soils. If there is a little bit of more moisture, it will don't do that. No. Don't do that. So you should see while doing so, in any case, if some soil is coming out, you should not fill it out. You try as much. You see here he has done it very nicely, and you see that the soil here close to this, the soil you see here, the surface is very smooth. So as the surface is very smooth, so one part is over. Now we have to go back to the other part. This should be just like what he has done. Yeah. So the same way. So the same way he is doing. He is scooping some of the soils, and then he is trying to make room off so that at least he can take the ring out. So not ज़्यादा डीप मत जाना.
अच्छा.
हाँ, now take it out जैसे मैंने बता दिया था. Yeah. You see now he is pressing with his thumb finger and then taking that ring out very slowly. Okay, slowly. Yeah, you see here some samples still remaining, so that at least you can make a cylinder shaped, a very regular soil sampling, which is an undisturbed soil. A little bit. So it is just cutting the extra soil, just like you cut maybe butter or cheese, but this soil is not that, having not that consistency as butter and cheese. So that's why you need to do it at a proper moisture content. If the moisture content is less, depending on the texture, it will be very much friable, so then this will break, so you may not get a intact soil cores. So you remember that the bulk density, it is the mass per unit volume. So the volume is very important, is the volume, because mass will not change until you have some issues with your this weighing. Otherwise, but the volume will change definitely. So if the volume will change, then you will be getting a wrong result. So please do that. Yeah, so it's done. It's done. Now see, you can now find there is a, this is the intact core. I am putting it in this way so that you can see both the sides. So you see here, it's a well intact core, so all the samples are only within this particular the core. So that is a cylinder surface, so you can easily calculate the volume. The volume is pi r square h. You take the weight and then it's okay. Then you can calculate bulk density. Thanks.